here in the West Hightower edition, North Richland Hills. Let's go take a look inside. Alright, you got the coming right in the front door. Get your nice 5-inch baseboards. Stairs going upstairs. Get your kitchen. Granite countertops. 60/40 sink. Nice stainless appliances. 42-inch cabinets. And coming over this way. Get your breakfast area / dining area. Here you have your living area. Fireplace goes all the way to the ceiling. A couple of things to note behind us. There is some nice separation in the form of this little arched wall. And then you've also got some nice can lights. Nice lighting in here. Get the Roman corners, which are the rounded corners that you see right here. Nice base and case in this house. 2013 build. There's your laundry room with sink. Let's take a look at the master real quick. Nice size master bedroom. Get your tray window. And get your crown molded in here. Coming in here, we got a nice updated shower. Nice tile. Good shower pan. Garden tub. His and hers vanity. Nice closet. Show you the commode just for fun. There's the commode. I'm trying out something new today with the gimbal, and I don't know if you've noticed, but it's driving me nuts because it's just a little different. Not quite what I'm accustomed to, but I feel like I'm getting it. Got the 2 sinks in here, the toilet and the tub. You got the towel back there. Looks nice. Then we got secondary bedroom back here. Looks good size. Oh, don't break their stuff, John. Big closet. You got a mirror in the back. How do you do? Okay. Got the nice panel doors. This, I think, is that wood tile stuff that's on the floor. I like it. I like it a lot. Linen closet. There's another bedroom. No crown in there, but it does have a ceiling fan. Another bedroom in here. No crown. It does have a ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. I can talk. I promise. I'm smart. Little covered back porch. See if we can get you looking up. Just trying to do the all around. Coming out here. This is kind of cool. You got the backyard. It's not huge, but it's workable. Not putting a pool back here by any means. But this looks like some type of utility easement, which is nice because you kind of get the benefit of it without having to take care of it, theoretically. But kind of cuts down on that privacy. Let's see if this will turn around. It will turn around and look at me. Well, let me know what you think about this house. This is the one on Swallow Lane. Built in 2013, 2714 square feet. This one is Foster Village Elementary, although it is Northridge Middle and Richland High. Oh! We haven't even been upstairs. Let's try this again. Upstairs. I was about to say, didn't quite feel. I was looking at the square footage because I didn't feel 2,700-ish. Hello, game room. How we've missed you so. This appears to be children's game room. Bathroom. Big bedroom. Man. I'll totally lock the kids up here. Just use the downstairs. Good sized closet. Okay. So there was more to see. Now we know. There's an upstairs. It's not a whole lot upstairs, but certainly somewhere to send the children. So that's Swallow Lane. See y'all soon.